Okay, then you will be getting like this. After shoulder attachment, you will be getting like this. Okay, next, main blocks, shoulder attachment, back side and front side. Okay, see, after shoulder attachment we'll be getting like this. Shoulder should match, place like this. This is neck part and this is arm part side. Here for the shaping, take ½ inch like this and put a pin. Now take your canvas, place your canvas like this. This is back part on fold side. Whatever the shape you are getting, take like that. Now trace this one. Okay, done. This is shoulder point, right? Same here also will be getting shoulder point. Where you are getting shoulder, this side and that side, mark it. Then remove the block. For the shaping, okay, I'm not taking exactly, I need gap for the front. That's why from here I will leave margin of 0.5 inches. Okay, I will take gap of 0.5 inches and I will start. If you want directly, you can take, no problem. Okay, that is your requirement. Okay, here you can take a gap of 1 line, 2 lines, 0.25, 0.5 inches. Otherwise, cut to cut, whatever you want, you can take it. Okay, here I will take only 0.2 gap. Now draw 1 line here. And here, this is shoulder connection, right? Here also draw 1 line. Now I will take a collar width of 2.75 inches. Okay, here I will take collar width of 2.75 inches. This is shoulder part from here to here. Okay, how much width you want to take it means, see, before the shoulder, okay, less than the shoulder, how much you want, you can take it. Don't cross the collar width is more than shoulder. Here 2.75 inches I am taking collar width, 2.75. From 2.75 randomly I will reduce. Okay, back part is 2 inches. Like that I will take the shape. We'll start cutting. Okay, this is shoulder point, right? This is shoulder point. Here I will put small notch. See, you will be getting collar like this. Okay, then we'll stick to the fabric. Okay, see, after stitching, after sticking, here 0.5 inch margin inside cut to cut. Okay, take two pieces of fabric like this, same, take two pieces of fabric. Now we'll stitch this part. For stitching, this is canvas piece, right? Here I will attach the lace. Okay, this side where we should attach the lace. If you are getting any confusion, okay, what you are doing is from the canvas stitch for 0.25 inch. For lace, right side, okay, place right side and right side, place like this and stitch for 0.25 inch. Place right side and stitch it. After that, do the flipping. Flip and press it. Okay, see, this center, collar center and back part center should match, and canvas, wherever the canvas piece is, canvas should be come on the top, without canvas is on the bottom. Right side, we should place it on the right side. This is right side, place like this and stitch for 0.25 inch. After done the stitching, take your neck finishing parts. Okay, place this one right side and right side, place like this and stitch for 0.25 like normal neck finishing. done. Like this you will be getting. Here if you want you can attach the button or something. Okay, this is the Peter Pan collar.